Is Fujifilm good enough to be used professionally, you know, to make money with it?
Right, here we go. Place looks like the first time I got in, it was like that. Everything the atmosphere really got me. You know, you have the tattoo books, you got all the products. I really love this. Like you can see it from outside, which is like super cool. Generally, I want to shoot some details of the shop. The hog.
Story time. I actually met the owner of this barber shop, Adil, probably a year and a half ago when I was shooting some street portraits for my other project, link in the description, and he agreed to be part of it. The thing that got me into this was his genuine answer when I asked him if he would be doing the same job if he had a lot of money, and he said, yes, fuck yes, I love my job, I love my shop, I would be still doing this.
I like the fact that in the mirror you can see double somehow. Let's take a look closer. Is there a story about these? No, that's really, it's just like that. No, this is the thing I like about the shop. Generally, it's like multiple layers, multiple stuff that kind of creates the whole vibe of it. So what I'm trying to do here is to get multiple layers, and I want to focus on the logo, the background.
The approach for this kind of shoot is to get different types of angles, not only focusing on the barbers or on the clients or on the object inside. Also go from the outside, take a photo of the shop from the outside as if you were, for example, a passerby, so that they have a better understanding of what the shop looks like.
Great. So right now I think I'm gonna change the lenses. I'm gonna go ultra wide so I can get closer to the guys.
It's always very useful to have a wider angle lens, like 20mm full frame, or you know, something around like 16, 20, something like that. Something to give a little bit more context whenever you need to give more context. Right here I'm using a Sigma 10-2018, which should be around 15 to 30 or something like that, and it is an incredible piece of equipment because it allows me to give a lot more context and to show what's inside the shop and to get close to the objects and to the people, and you know, to keep the viewer in, to get the viewer in. This right here is probably one of my favorite shots because it's so old style, you know. It has a vibe to it and it's very old style, you know. You have the hand coming out of like darkness, giving the money, which is the change, and there's like this cage kind of thing, and the light looks nice and everything looks, it's a vibe, you know what I mean.
Stevie.
Wat kan ik doen? Ik wou dat doen met een café. Wat kan er gebeuren? Wat wil je, jongen? Zelf nog? Ja.
As you can see from the quality of these images, Fuji is doing a great job. I really like them, and I feel like they're giving a good idea of what this shop is about, you know, a good idea of the people, of the vibe, of how it feels inside and all of that.
Yeah, no,
So it doesn't get wet?
yeah. Nice. Now I'm gonna try something really weird because the place is really small, but I will try to use the 75mm, which is so zoomed in. I need a lot of space, but I envision a few photos like from here to there.
If you can afford to buy the Viltrox 75mm, go for it. It's an incredible lens. If you can't, go for the 85mm. It will be your money-making lens, trust me. Love it. I mean, it looks so good. Images coming from that focal length are incredible.
This looks fucking awesome. I actually have an idea. I need long exposure. So these shots, they fucking look awesome. Actually, I like them. I like them so much. Yeah, the motorcycle. What's the history about that?
It's nostalgic from when I was younger. It's my first bike.
First bike.
Not this one in particular,
Mm-hmm.
but the same kind of
Same model.
yeah, same models. Camino, cara.
Okay, you stay there, and I'll do a thing here. It will take a little time, but nothing. You just look. Yeah, nice, nice. Just turn around. I want to see the jacket overall. Okay. No, but that's not gonna. Okay, actually, you know what? Look to your left. Yeah, that's right. Bash is gonna be jealous. It's like this my jacket, bro.
But anyway, I just wanted to kind of give you an idea of how I work, and I want you to be the judge whether Fujifilm is good for professional assignments or not, taking these photos as an example.